Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off comments on your posts on your Reddit. We will go to figure out the solution or know how we can do that on your Reddit app. You just go up here and this is picture or this is image. You will click here on app. Then this is window show for us like you say, and we just click here on settings. Then we come to settings window here like you say, and then we click here on account settings for you, and we come here to account settings here in this window, and you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come here to notifications window here in this window. Then you just come here to comments on your posts. You will just go turn off. You will click here on this is mark or this is color, and like you say this is color, it's gone. That's main comments on your posts, it's turned off now. So that's on now. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.